Are you trying to make money online through affiliate marketing and it's not working for you? Would you like to know how to do it right? Would you like to be able to start making real consistent cash through affiliate marketing immediately? My name is Vic Stryzius and I teach people how to make big money through affiliate marketing. How big? Well, just last couple of days ago, last week, we started a brand new campaign selling other people's products. And this campaign is generating on average about $100,000 per day in sales simply by selling other people's products. And we teach people how to do it. We have a lot of students who have never made a dime before on the internet, right now selling other people's products, following this system that we taught them, and they're making money right now to the tune of $3,000, $5,000, even $10,000 per day. If you are interested in learning exactly how to do it, where you get the product, how do you set up your marketing system, and by the way, you don't even have to create this marketing system, because what we're doing right now is we can give you a share code that you can just plug into, and the whole system is literally done for you, okay? And I will show you where to get traffic. Now, the big question you might be asking, a lot of people ask is, Vic, why are you doing this? If this is working so well for you, why are you doing this? 86% of brands on the internet, billion-dollar companies, multi-million-dollar companies, have an affiliate program. There is more opportunity for you to make real money online right now than ever before by collaborating with these brands out there on the internet. And we're showing you how to do it. Interested? Register for my upcoming class, and I'm going to show you everything from A to Z, where we get the products, how we set up the systems, how we can help you set your own system, where to get the traffic, how to start making real money once and for all. Stop struggling, start making money. Register for my upcoming class, and I'll see you there.